Hi there. I'm Edward from Easy Walk to English Grammar. In today's video, you'll learn how to use be, been, and being in everyday English. You'll discover how to use them correctly to indicate present, past, and future actions. By the end, you'll gain confidence in creating advanced English sentences. You will improve your spoken English skills and enhance your writing in English, whether casual, semi-formal, or formal. You'll also be able to refine your creative writing skills in English. In other words, you'll take a step closer to mastering English. Let's get started. Be is the base form. Been is the past participle form of be. And being is the present participle form of be. If you would like a video on participles from Easy Walk to English Grammar, leave a comment below. We will begin with
be. Hey, I will be a big squirrel one day.
Be can be used after modal auxiliaries to indicate future state of identity. I will be a big squirrel one day. He can be a great musician in the future. Now he sings well. The company will be leading the share market in the next 3 years. The company's growth trend indicates this. Even without modal auxiliaries, be can indicate a future state of identity when expressing a desire. He wants to be a doctor.
All the work will be done by me.
Be can be used after modal auxiliaries, followed by the past participle of verbs, to form the passive voice and indicate that something will be completed in the future. All the work will be done by me. The homework can be done in half an hour. If you'd like to learn more about active to passive voice, watch the playlist Active and Passive Voice from Easy Walk to English Grammar. The link is in the description box. Next, we're moving on to
Been.
I have been dancing.
Been can be used after has, have or had to show the duration of an ongoing action. I have been dancing for a long time. He has been doing the homework since morning. I have been exercising for 2 hours when they came.
I have been to England.
Been can be used after has, have, or had to show a past situation that is relevance at the moment we are speaking in the present. I have been to London, visited London at some point in the past, and it is relevant to the present moment. Jane has been a teacher for 4 years in New Delhi. Jane was a teacher for 4 years, but is no longer a teacher. The sentence refers to the past experience relevant to the present. They had been friends for a long time before the argument. The use of had been indicates that the friendship existed for a period in the past before something else happened. Here, the argument.
I have been happy.
Been can be used after has. Have or had to show a state of being, experience, or condition. State of being. I have been happy. Here, been is used to describe the state of being happy over a period of time. Experience or condition. She has been tired lately. In this case, been indicates a condition or state that has existed in the recent past.
I will have been working in this school for 15 years by the end of this month.
Been can be used after will have to show that an ongoing action will be completed at some future time. I will have been working in this school for 15 years by the end of this month. Jake will have been living in New York for 20 years by 2026. Now, let's move on to
Being.
The cleaning is being done by Sam.
being can be used after is, are, was, or were, and is followed by the past participle forms of the verbs in passive voices to show an ongoing action, where the duration of the action is not necessary to specify. The painting is being done by Sam. The cooking was being done by my mother. The dishes are being cooked by them. The decorations were being done by my students. Being can be used as a gerund. A gerund is a verb that functions as a noun in the subject or object position. Being patient is a virtue. Here, being patient is the subject of the sentence, referring to the state or quality of patience. I enjoy being alone. Here, being alone is the object of the verb enjoy. Things to remember. Be. This is the base form. Use it with modal verbs like can, will, might, etc., or in the infinitive form. Example, I want to be. Been. This is the past participle form. It's always used with a helping verb like have, has, or had to form perfect tenses. Being. This is the present participle form. Use it with forms of to be like is, are, was, or were to create continuous tenses or as a gerund. If you like videos on participles, gerunds, and infinitives, comment below. Think of been as a marker of completed actions or experiences that tie into the perfect tense. See being as representing an ongoing or temporary state, something that's in progress. Use be for your basic statement of identity or existence, or when combined with modal verbs. Perfect tense check. If the sentence starts with have, has, or had, it almost always requires been. Continuous action check. If the sentence has is, am, or are, followed by an action or state that is temporary, use being. Modal verb check. If the sentence uses a modal verb like will or can, use be. Now, it's quiz time. I'll give you 3 sentences based on today's topic, each with multiple choice options. Pick the correct answers and comment them in the comment section. Let's start. 1. She studying all night for her exam. The options are been, be, being. 2. I want to a teacher when I grow up. The options are been, be, being. 3. The cake is baked in the oven right now. The options are been, be, being. If you found the video useful, subscribe to Easy Walk to English Grammar. Tap the bell icon and select All to stay updated. Also, like the video and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment with your doubts, opinions, and suggestions about the video. Thank you for watching Easy Walk to English Grammar. See you next time.